Today we have a 2010 Doosan Lynx 300. The machine has a FANUC I-Series control. It's got a tool setter, 10-inch chuck, tailstock, and a chip conveyor. We're gonna move the turret, the Z-axis, X-axis. It's turret index. Here's a tailstock. Now we do the spindle. This machine has 3-inch bar capacity. That's a spindle at 500. Spindle at 1,000. That's 2,000 RPM. Tool setter. What are we doing now? Parts catcher? Parts catcher. All right. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.